So this is an example of how to use this graphic that I created for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to canva.com. You'll need to create an account. You can just use like your Gmail or Facebook account and it'll get you signed up real quick. All right, so what you do with this program is simply make it. Sometimes they have templates for all kind of designs. Um, I used to frown upon it, but it is really good for people who are not like design. It's good for designers, but it's also good for people who are not designers as well because they can. Um, it just have a bunch of easy stuff to work with. So that's why I'm gonna show you this because it'll be useful for you later. So I'm just gonna create a new design so we can create this, and I'm gonna show you how we created that and how you can add more to it. So let's say I wanted to create a new design. I would just go create new design or create a design, go to custom size, and if you know the exact size of your photo, you can use that. Or if you just create an Instagram post, you can use that. I'm gonna do that this time. Last time I used I think this was a Facebook post, and this time was a custom size. So I'm just going to show you how it will look on Instagram. So let's go to uploads, and what you would do if your stuff wasn't already here, you'll go to upload media and you'll find wherever you saved your work, or your not your work, but wherever you saved the banner that I made for you, or wherever you saved the photo, and you'll bring those in. Didn't mean to do that, but it's okay. I'll only need one. All right, so once you have both of those in or uploaded, you will just select it and it'll drop right in. And when you scale something in Canva, you want to scale from the corner. Now, if it seems like it's too small, there's a couple of things you can do. In this case, I would just pull this down like that, or if you want it to, like, you can scale it like that as well outside of the artboard, but it doesn't really matter. Um, as you can see, this square or this Instagram post style isn't the best for stuff like this. But anyway, it doesn't even matter. I'm still just showing you how to place this stuff in. So if I double click this, I can click and drag and readjust this however I want to. So I'm just going to click this to add in this, and I'm just going to scale this as well, and voila. Now again, the Instagram size is not the best size for that, so let's go back to this, or maybe the custom size. That's a little bit better. So you can do that, and once you do that, now this is the part that you're probably going to need most, and I'll just help you out with this. You go to elements and you can click different shapes, or yeah, just different shapes, and what you can do is adjust the shape however you like, and in order to get the effect that the other people had in those examples that you sent me, what they did was, one, you'll need to go to where it says photo colors, because what happened was, what happens is Canva takes your photos and or whatever you import and say, hey, I'm just gonna pull out all the main colors in these photos, and that's what it did, which is good because now we have that same blue that is right here. So we can select that blue, and then we'll go to transparency and we'll drag that down. So once we drag that down, you can just go to text and you can get a heading, subheading. You can get all these templates that they created. But just to keep it simple, I'll just grab subheading and hello, let's just grab a heading, and I'll just say all caps under contract. And the reason I wanted to show you this is because one, to create a graphic that says under contract, it won't, depending on the picture, it might not look right on certain pictures, especially if it's all attached to one. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to show you how to use this so that you would have an advantage in that area. So that's pretty much it. Remember, go to elements, grab a shape, change the transparency, which is right here. You can also change the color and use the text tool to add text. And oh yeah, changing the font. So if you wanted to change the font, you can just click right here and you can find all these fonts. The ones with crowns, anything that has a crown on it, that is for premium accounts only. So if you decide that you want to get a premium account, that's up to you. But they also have templates. Most of the templates are free, but they also have photos like stock images, and a lot of them are free, but they do have some that cost. Okay, so I don't think that you would need that, but I just wanted to make you aware of it. Also, the last thing with the text is you can control the spacing. So let's say if for you under and contract was too far apart, you can go to spacing right here and you can adjust that. Okay, and I think that's about it. Everything else I think I already went over. So last but not least, you want to download this. So how do you use it? You just download it. I would suggest a PNG file. You'll press download and save it to wherever you want to save it, such as like this will pop up. There we go. So right now I'm in my downloads, and I could just save it there, or I can go to my Dropbox or wherever, and then press save, and then you're done. So I hope this helps. I'm pretty sure it will, but I really do hope it helps. And yeah, man,